Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing the yoga challenge. I picked out like 8 poses, so we're just going to do it. I've never done yoga before. He's done yoga, so we'll see who the expert is.
Yeah, man, I'm excited though.
You ready? You ready, Shiloh? Let's go. Look! Woo! This is the first pose.
It's pretty easy.
Pretty easy.
I can do that.
Okay, let's do it. So you have to grab my knees and I have to grab yours.
Well, I'm longer than you.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go like this. We did it!
Hey.
We're experts. Next pose is this one. It's like, we look like eggs.
Eggs.
Or roly-polies. Get down.
This is down.
No. You're down all the way?
Yes.
Okay. Oh shit. Okay. Wait, how is she? This is hard.
Oh.
Okay. Did we do it? I feel like I'm squishing you. Okay. I think that's it.
What is this for?
I don't know. This is a flexibility pose. It's gonna be hard because I'm so much shorter than you. Okay. I'm gonna hit my head. I can't reach you.
Balance.
This is not right. Our feet are supposed to be touching. Oh.
That's not possible.
Yes, it is. Sit up more.
Okay.
So here's the next pose. I'm on your ankles this time. Okay. Oh my god. Try again.
Let's try again. Okay.
I don't think this is
Are you
right.
supposed to be?
I'm supposed to be like in bed. Okay, I cannot do your ankles. I'm supposed to be like this.
Oh, like sitting.
Oh, fuck.
That's not gonna work.
Maybe if I start from your ankles?
Yes.
Okay. That hurts. I don't want to hurt you. Oh no. Oh my god!
Get it.
Here's the next one. If you can tell, I did from like easy to hard.
Yeah, I see. Taking it up a level.
Oh no! I don't like this. Okay. You have no back strength. What the heck? I didn't even put weight on you. Okay. We got this. Hold on. I'm gonna go like this. Okay. Don't fall. Or else I'll die. Oh my god. Here's the next one. So I'm laying flat and he's just kind of, I don't even know if this is real. This doesn't even look real,
It's real.
but.
It's a picture. Fall over into your.
Oh god. Oh my god. Come on. Okay, ready?
You're almost there.
Well, I can get you. You just have to trust. Okay. This is harder than it looks. Ow. I can't do it. Okay, we're done.
We did it.
We tried. Here's the next pose.
I'm on the bottom?
Yeah.
Alright, my legs are usually strong. We'll see. You have to trust me.
I can't. Okay.
Ready?
Yes. No. I can't.
I feel like I'm gonna tear you apart.
This one is too scary.
You have to face your fears.
Okay. Wait. I can't. No.
You're not fully committing.
Just there. We did it. This one should be easy. It's just like that. So you're just doing a plank. Go. Oh, you're just too tall. Okay, this is... I feel like I'm pulling your pants though. We did it. Ow, my head.
Oh.
Okay.
It's yoga couple one-on-one.
We did it.
That was fun. You're sweaty.
I know, I'm hot.
It's a workout.
So that's it for our yoga poses. Let us know how we did and if you guys want a second one. Cause you acting like you don't want a second one.
Let us know.
That's it for this.
I do this. I do yoga.
Clearly.
I do yoga.
Clearly. But yeah, that's it for this video. Make sure to comment more requests on like what you guys want us to do next. But yeah, that's it. Make sure to follow us on our social media links. Everything will be listed down below and we'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.
Peace.